Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Giant Swabs is probably one of the most versatile and surprisingly useful cleaning tools you never knew you needed, capable of tackling everything from delicate electronics to large surfaces with its unique, oversized design and absorbent material, making it an indispensable addition to any cleaning arsenal for those who appreciate efficiency and thoroughness in their tidying routines. Number 5. CareTouch Alcohol Wipes. Experience the convenience of individually wrapped wipes. Each one is sealed to ensure maximum cleanliness and effectiveness whenever you need it. These prep pads are formulated with 70% isopropyl alcohol. This potent antiseptic formula is designed for effective skin preparation and cleansing. Perfect for a variety of settings, including your home, medical needs, and first aid kits. They offer reliable antiseptic action wherever you are. Rest assured, each wipe is sterilized for your safety and peace of mind. They are ready to use for any situation requiring antiseptic care. Our wipes feature a durable 2-ply construction for enhanced absorbency and strength. They provide a reliable clean with every use. This value pack contains 400 individually wrapped wipes. You'll have plenty on hand for all your antiseptic needs, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like? These are individually wrapped for maximum sterility. With 70% isopropyl alcohol, they are great for medical and first aid use. If you need reliable antiseptic wipes for on the go or for your medical kit, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The swabs are very absorbent and hold a lot of liquid. They are sturdy and don't fall apart like other swabs I've used. The cotton tips are soft and gentle on the skin. Number 4. SheeChung 3-pack acrylic apothecary jars with lids. Introducing our set of 3 clear apothecary jars. They offer ample space to store all your bathroom essentials, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Crafted from premium, crystal clear acrylic, these jars offer a glass-like appearance without the fragility. You can effortlessly see what's inside at a glance. These decorative jars are perfect for your bathroom vanity, but also ideal for organizing your kitchen, craft room, office, or even your pet station. Elevate your bathroom's aesthetic with these charming jars. Their classic design adds a touch of vintage elegance to any countertop or shelf. Keep your cotton swabs, cotton balls, and other small items neatly stored. These containers make bathroom organization simple and stylish. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we'll ensure you enjoy your purchase and a better lifestyle. What we like? This set offers 3 clear acrylic jars, perfect for organizing your bathroom essentials. If you're looking for an elegant and practical way to store cotton swabs, cotton balls, and other vanity items, these will add charm to your space. What people say. The swabs are very large and absorbent, making them great for cleaning large surfaces. The cotton tips are soft and durable, and they don't leave behind any lint. These swabs are perfect for applying makeup or cleaning up small messes. Number 3. Clean Skin Club Clean Swabs. Introducing our premium cotton swabs, designed for a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. Perfect for all your personal care needs. Make a sustainable choice with our biodegradable swabs. Crafted from organic cotton and bamboo, they're kind to you and the planet. Achieve perfect precision with our unique pointed tip. It's ideal for detailed tasks like makeup touch-ups and nail polish application. Experience comfort with hypoallergenic and chlorine-free swabs. They are gentle on sensitive skin, ensuring a safe and pleasant use. Stock up and save with our convenient 500-count package. You'll have plenty on hand for everyday use and special occasions. What we like? These swabs are made from organic cotton and bamboo, and are biodegradable. They feature a pointed tip, ideal for precise makeup application or nail polish touch-ups. If you prioritize eco-friendly materials and need a swab for detailed beauty tasks, these are the ones to get. What people say. The swabs are very large and absorbent, making them great for cleaning large surfaces. The cotton tips are soft and durable, and they don't leave behind any lint. The wooden handles are sturdy and comfortable to hold, providing good control during use. Number 2. 6-inch precision gun cleaning swabs with storage case. Introducing our 6-inch precision cleaning swabs, designed for detailed work. They are perfect for maintaining your firearms with their lint-free design. Crafted with a lint-free tip and a sturdy bamboo handle, these swabs ensure a clean finish every time. The long handle provides excellent reach for thorough cleaning. These swabs are specifically engineered for gun cleaning, reaching tight spots effectively. Keep your firearms in top condition with these essential tools. Beyond firearms, they are also excellent for detailed tasks in makeup application and cleaning delicate electronics. Their versatility makes them a must-have for various needs. Each set comes with a convenient storage case to keep your swabs organized and protected. This ensures they are ready whenever you need them. Get a pack of 500 swabs, offering great value for frequent use. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning and detailing requirements. What we like. These are extra long, lint-free swabs designed for precision cleaning. They come with a convenient storage case. If you need long swabs for detailed work like gun cleaning or electronics maintenance, these offer the reach and cleanliness you require. What people say. The swabs are large and absorbent, making them great for cleaning large surfaces. The cotton tips are soft and durable, and they don't leave behind any lint. These swabs are perfect for detailed work, such as applying makeup or cleaning electronics. Number 1. 6-inch long cotton swabs, large size, 400 PCS. Introducing our large size cotton swabs, perfect for a variety of tasks. Each package contains 400 swabs with a big head for effective cleaning. These swabs feature a stronger, sturdier stick for a more reliable experience. You can count on them for a firm grip during use. Enjoy a fast, easy, and no-mess cleaning process with these disposable swabs. Simply use and discard for ultimate convenience. Specially designed for the healthcare of your beloved pets, these premium long cotton buds are perfectly sized. They are ideal for cleaning around their ears, eyes, or nose. Beyond pet care, these large cotton buds are suitable for numerous applications. Use them for first aid, arts and crafts, model making, and general cleaning. What we like. These are large, 6-inch cotton swabs with a sturdy handle. Their design is particularly suited for pet care, like cleaning around ears or eyes. If you have pets and need a reliable tool for their hygiene or for arts and crafts, these offer great versatility. What people say. The swabs are large and absorbent, making them great for cleaning large surfaces. The cotton tips are soft and durable, and they don't leave any lint behind. These swabs are perfect for detailed work, like applying makeup or cleaning electronics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.